fire goes around you. What does it mean? I don't know. But I think Zoe. Mom!
Where is he, Piper? Piper. Piper. What is she doing?
I don't know.
She's sitting here.
Mommy, what?
You wiped it on my shirt. Where is he, Piper? Where is he?
Mommy. 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 Mommy.
You're fake.
Mom, what does this? Mom, what does this
Back
word
off me, fool.
I don't know, but have Zoe read it to you.